Good morning friends. I Dr. Ramkaran Singh, Vice Chancellor of ICFA University Dehradun, strongly believe that there is no more important mission for ICFA University Tech student than the preparation of its BTech, MTech and PhD students for their career growth. In modern era, new knowledge is evolving with very fast pace that is changing the engineering landscape. We have an increased responsibility to transform our engineering program experience from the old curriculum in core branches to a broader foundational experience for lifelong success by upgrading the curricula with latest contents. Engineering by its very nature requires its practitioner to continue learning new things long after their formal education ends. This has never been realer than today when we can see an accelerated pace of engineering innovation continuing for decades. Engineers needs to evolve and so the engineering tech schools too. At the ICFA Tech School of Engineering, we are taking on that challenge by broadening the education of our students. While mastery of the technical aspect of engineering must remain at the curriculum's core, we need to add new dimensions that will better prepare students for the world of today and tomorrow. We want to provide an education that ensures our graduates can be creators and the performers. They need to understand how technology works so they can be effective as innovators. They also need soft skills such as the ability to communicate their technical ideas and concepts and animate a wide array of people including those without technological background and people from other cultures. Combine these skills with the ability to be a lifelong learners and our graduates have the potential to make real impacts that can better our quality of life for generations to come. We offer a range of enrichment experience that need to be expanded so more students can take advantage of them. For example, the faculty monitored industrial training in popular among the students. We also are rapidly expanding the opportunities of our students have to work in labs with the faculty having research-based teaching learning experience. At the same time, our engineering programs are with the specialization options in cutting-edge technologies along with the new programs which are emerging fresh in new areas. More of the opportunities are needed at the global, national and local community level, but we can also do more to broaden our students' horizon right here on campus. We have begun to explore joint courses with other systems including industry, national and international universities for rich global immersions. Being an engineering leader, this century requires a broad education that goes beyond the classroom and the laboratory. The engineering profession is poised to make its most significant impact on human history in the coming century. And ICFA University Dehradun graduate should be on the crest of the wave. I, on behalf of ICFA University Dehradun, invite the science and engineering aspirants to join the cutting-edge programs at ICFA University Tech Schools to enjoy the fruit of success. Thank you so much.